Huizhou Teco Lighting is located in Huizhou. Our company is dedicated in energy saving and smart control products. We mostly manage in LED tube, LED PL, under cabinet light, indoor and outdoor luminaire, and smart lighting. Our company has a 7,000 square meter factory workshop, and we own an auto assembly production glass tube line. We have 5 million piece production ability of LED tubes per year. Our products get certificates of UL, CE, SAA, Energy Star, and DLC. We already have markets in North America, Europe, Australia, and also keep developing the other markets in the world. Our team started LED business since 2009 with long-term experiences in cooperating with big customers. Now we already become a stable and reliable partner for them. Our team is also expertise in designing new products for the customers. Quality comes first for us, as well as the service. Teco Lighting, one of your best LED supplier choices.